Well, things are still coming along. Um, I need to work on these lights. Those are the lights from the inside for the marker lights. I wanted to be able to get to them without having to hate life anyway, so I just ran the wires through, and it's gonna be fine. My sweetie's been in here cranking away, got the place looking clean again, so that's nice. We got some foam in the roof, got wires hanging loose. We got, as you can see, the cushions are back in. Very 1970. So this bathroom window is in, and so I was messing with the jacks a little bit. I've set the jacks exactly 8 inches from here to here, and then this week I'm going to test and pick the whole camper up and see if these jacks are sliding. We need to know that so that we're not surprised. I did put some paint on them and they look much better. So yeah, everything is coming along. I got this piece bent around. I'm going to have to work this piece. I'm not exactly sure how. I don't think anybody can bend it and not have these folds like this, so I'm going to have to try to come up with so it looks nice right there between here and fold them all in so they're right. Still got to add the trim here on this side from there all the way down to there, and then that's it. I'm about ready to actually put the final screws in on this. I got the brow. We've actually polished the eyebrow up there, so that's ready to go. And this side, once again, this side's pulled in, and then we're just trying to get it. We have the list like on a cardboard piece of paper, and one of the things that we still have to do is cover this spot up, and because that was originally where the water fill was, and we're going to put the water fill like here now. So that's the plan. But yep, all the jacks got a little paint, and yeah, actually she's coming along. Coming along pretty good. She's inside working on the ceiling. First time in like 2.5 years. All the windows are in, bolted in, putty taped, eyebrows in, all of them. So we've been cranking away. We've had a problem with the jacks. They're really flexible, so we're going to add a brace from here, this wire, down to the bottom down here, and that should help. That will help. It has helped. We've figured it out. It will help keep the jacks from flopping all over. The rear porch is on. And this is how we figured out how it would work. We had the straps on both sides, so yeah, we have been cranking away on this thing. So things are winding up, which is really handy. Got this panel on today, which I had cleated to the ground. This section of the flooring was moving around, and so I kept cleating and cleating, and finally it doesn't move anymore. It's just solid. It's really nice right here. So I'm really glad to get that fixed. We did get one panel up here, roof panel, ceiling panel done. Turned out to be pretty good. We did put some, it's hard to see, but there's a little bit of that texturized wallpaper on it, so that it's more like the original. So it's in keeping with the original. So put the light back up. Yeah. And I got this name, obviously the name done on it. There's a piece down here that says Gladwin, Michigan, and I haven't made that part up yet, but I will. Unfortunately, I scuffed it already, so I gotta fix the scuff. But overall, I'm well pleased. You can see the new light up there, or vent rather. Works, should work pretty good. I gotta wire it up, but yep.